massive bullishness in net gas. We were bullish in net gas since long now. At this point itself, I have mentioned that the net gas is bottomed and we are looking forward to a rise. And also, I have mentioned see lower lows, lower highs. It is looking forward to a top of the channel. So, can we expect now net gas to stay bullish? Can we expect it to move beyond $3 levels soon? Or there is a possibility of a reversal as it has seen a stronger rise in last 3 weeks. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week and in the near future? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators, and towards the end of this update I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy. Watch it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Do like, share and comment, which is always a great support from you all. And those who are new, this is a weekly review. I do share my daily updates for NatGas. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the Asia US session, and thus subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. These two updates a day definitely sets the direction and gives you a fair idea of where to enter, where to exit, and how to profit. And yes, do join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into 4 hour. Look at 4 hour charts, retesting the 20 period moving average. See, it is retested 20 period moving average 3 times and then it has taken an aggressive stance. It's just trading bullish. So yes, it is now still in the bullish zone, and you can also see the moving averages are now starting to look upwards. Possibility of a gap up still exists, but also if you notice the movement here, see rise, consolidation, 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 and here also it can consolidate. Now it is very important. See where you can consider it a reversal if and only if natural gas breaks below 2.63 and then 2.54. This is the zone which is going to provide maximum support for net gas in the on its journey on the downside, and that will be the confirmation of a reversal as long as first support levels at 2.63 is not taken and then the second support levels at 2.54 is not taken. We should not be treating natural gas as bearish in the coming week as well. What is happening on the 4 hour charts? Bullish candles, the bullishness getting diminished. It is trying to show a reversal. We can see it trading sideways before it looks over to a rise here. And that is where 2.7 levels will come into picture as a greater support here on the downside, and that is going to be the first support levels. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. It is looking upwards. And see, it has seen a good rise here. A stronger rise is seen, though if you look at the preceding highs on the 4 hour charts in this year are almost at the same levels, though it is still a scope for it to rise. RSI is extremely overbought. So on the 4 hour charts, the indicators are slightly overbought. But one must notice when it was getting oversold, nobody questioned here, because see, we have seen a stronger fall in net gas in the recent past, in the last year and last to last year. And the drop was such sharp that none of the indicators were. So I hope the bullish also go in the same way. Look at the daily charts. Moving averages crossing over here. Beautiful formation looking upwards here. All the moving averages crossing over here. Signs of bullishness. Second thing is, see at this point, I have mentioned, watch my update. I have mentioned that it has taken the support. The rise is going to be exponential. Beautifully, it is showing exponential rise here. So if you look at the channel here, this is how it has been trading, and this is definitely exponential in nature. And if it tries to retrace, now draw a parallel here, you will find that the support levels here at 2.544 and 2.5 levels are going to play a very important and a major role for natural gas in the coming few weeks, even if it tries to retrace. Now looking at the candles here, it suggests increasing bullishness here. Increasing bullishness means it can open flat, it can continue to trade bullish in the very first trading session itself, taking it till towards 2.8 or in fact $3 levels. I expect it to move sharp. I expect it to sharply move towards $3 levels so that it can then slowly retrace. Also, the little wick it has left on the upside suggests that there is still bullishness and the prices may continue on the upside for a while. Third is, look at the movement here. It is trading here in this channel, retest to the top where it can retest on the daily charts 2.65 on the near term, very good support. 2.7, very good support in this zone, and that is where I have told that as long as 2.6564 is not taken and then 2.54 is not taken in the coming week, we should not be treating natural gas as the bearish. And once it drops below 2.5 is where I can say now the prices have reversed, else it is still to be confirmed in the bullish zone and it can bounce back and rise strongly. Stochastic overbought. Look at now on MACD. I have showed and shared this update several times. Observe my last week's video. Several times I have mentioned, see the double bottom, nice double bottom. It will lead to double top, and it is almost on the verge of a double top, which means that in the coming week it can achieve the highs before retracing, and then we can still look forward to $3 levels, and which is going to be a critical milestone for net gas for the near future. If it stays beyond 3, certainly that is a psychological level which I will be looking forward for net gas to break, and that will confirm the bullishness. RSI coming to overbought levels, coming to weekly. Look at the weekly charts. Another observation here, which is there is a drop, retracement, lower low. Just skew this channel a bit, and you will find net gas trading in this. That also makes 3.2 as a very, very strong resistance zone, beyond which 3.6, 3.8 zone will come into picture. And if these two levels are taken directly, it is going to land at 4.4, 4.5, and then in fact we can see it hitting $6 levels very. Now look at the weekly chart. See, the movement here was very, very minimal. Now it has left this zone. It has come, or it has become aggressively bullish, looking upwards. Right now the moving averages have not yet crossed over. We have to wait for the moving averages to cross over in order to confirm the bullishness for the near future. If you look at stochastic, this is rising. This has come to overbought levels. The MACD, look at MACD here. I have shared this. See the drop here, the rise. This is the main trend. Then retracement, and again it has crossed over, and it is continuing the trend here. So the trend here is actually bullish. This has retraced with the higher lows, and it is looking upwards, so it can continue here for a while. Possibility is very, very strong. RSI rising, again signs of bullishness on the weekly charts. Coming to monthly chart. Now on the monthly charts, very clear double bottom. See, just skew this chart a bit and you will find that this is a classical formation here. I can see this as a double bottom here. This can lead to a little rise towards this. Towards this means $8 levels in the near future, in the near, not near future, but in the a distant future from 6 months to 1 year. Possibilities there, but it has to break three key levels. First, $3 levels, very, very important. Is $3 level achievable? I do see that it is going to hit, and then 3.4, 3.6, 3.8. So once these two levels and this zone is taken for net gas in the near future, we are looking forward. We are looking forward to a very strong rise. I have been of opinion for net gas that it should rise, and just it has to come out of this channel, and we will look forward to a stronger rise for the near future, where similar size of bullishness can be expected. The bearishness is strong, the bullishness is going to be strong as well, where $6 is going to be the first one. But look at the moving averages on the monthly charts crossing over here, and this crossover has happened after years. So we have to wait for it to again converge crossover in order to confirm the bullish reversal. The stochastic has formed a double bottom here as well, trying to rise. MACD, look at MACD here. It has stayed bearish for months. You can see almost 2 years it has stayed on the bearish zone. Now it is the time that it is starting to converge, and this is the time that it is entering into greener zone. So a crossover is what I will be waiting for. This crossover is going to bring the bulls here. This crossover is going to bring the rally here. This crossover is going to take net gas on the higher levels towards 6, 8, 10 levels as well. Though it is a bit aggressive, but if it can drop sharp, it can rise sharp as well. At least $6 levels should be there. But for coming week also, there could be a retracement. However, I do still see that it can achieve the highs before retracing. So now we have seen the charts and retracement. Let me give you the trading levels for the coming week and for the near future. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 31st mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, if you just want to be part of my signals channel, where you can trade diverse set of instruments and you get the signals so that you can trade profitably, you can be part of it. Again, write an email or ping me on Telegram. The next is those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the diverse set of instruments from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker. It offers a swap-free account with the lowest spread so that you can save much of your capital and there are no hidden charges. So, and it's a regulated broker, so you can trade safely. Now, first, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 2.765 levels. You can buy here, expect it to move towards 2.8. Now, once net gas stays above 2.8, it will see a little bullishness. 2.8 and 2.84, these are the two key levels which we have to wait for net gas to break in the coming week. If it stays above this, we can look forward to 2.92, and then my favorite $3 levels will come into picture. This is a critical number. Remember this fact, and it can try to achieve these levels in a hurry. Before achieving those levels, there is a possibility of a pullback or a swing. So this is the level we are going to look at in the near future. As long as our net gas respects 2.5 2.4 zone, we can stay bullish. That is one possibility. Why I am mentioning 2.5 2.4, I do see that once things get overbought, the chances of a pullback increases, but there is one strong probability that it can give you a gap up opening in the coming week. Now beyond 3, there is still bullishness towards 3.05 first target, 3.15 the next, and then 3.2. This is critical. Beyond this, we are looking forward to 3.5, 3.7 in the coming few weeks. Be watchful. The rally or the move towards 3.6, 3.8 is not going to be so easier. It is going to be a zigzag move. Thus, you should be trailing your stop losses and re-entering the trades if you see it moving in the same direction. On the sell side, where you can take a sell, I will recommend you to sell 2.72. You can take a sell entry. 2.68 first support. 2.6563. This is important. 2.65 and 63. If this is taken, then there could be little extra bearishness towards 2.58, 2.54. Now this is the next critical level. If it breaks below 2.54, you can say now there could be further bearishness. So this is the key zones you should notice, and then 2.5 will come into picture, 2.4 will come into picture. Chances uh, for a move towards 2.4 appears to be less. I'll still expect it to trade bullish. Let's see if it how far it can retrace. 2.54, 2.65 zone, 63 zone should be a greater support zone. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel. Join the Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the YouTube channel memberships in order to support the effort. Thank you. Have a profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.